Mrs. Bector's Food Specialities Ltd, a biscuits and bakery products manufacturer. The company was founded in the year 1978 and later got incorporated in 1995 as Quaker Cremica Foods and got listed on NSE and BSE in 2020. They are based in Gurugram with more than 1,000 employees and 4,300 workers. Company has 6 manufacturing plants located in Phillaur, Tahliwal, Rajpura, Noida, Mumbai and Bengaluru. Company is setting up a new greenfield biscuit plant in Dhar, a new bakery plant in Khopoli, and a new bakery unit in Kolkata. The market cap of the company is 8,371 crore rupees and currently trading at 1,423 rupees per share. The company has a 23% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 25% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. Company manufactures biscuits with production capacity of 1,48,344 metric tons per annum and bakery products with production capacity of 94,984 metric tons per annum. The capacity is expected to increase by 26% with upcoming new plants. About 61% of the revenue is generated from the biscuit segment, 35% from bakery products, and 4% from contract manufacturing. Company markets and sells these products under its well-known brands, Cremica and English Oven. The company is showcasing strong and stable financial records and clocking good profits year on year. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see a good portion of foreign and domestic investments in the company. The public holding is dropping, indicating that foreign and domestic investors are buying from the public. The company is giving good dividends every year. A dividend of 3 rupees per share was paid in fiscal year 2023. Company has a strong network of more than 1,250 distributors and a presence in more than 7 lakh retail outlets. They are also planning to set up a new subsidiary in UAE by fiscal year 2025. Company exports to more than 70 countries, with revenue concentration of 73% from domestic and 27% from exports. The current 0.34 debt to equity is expected to go high, as company is planning to take more debt for expansion. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.